And what exactly is going on, everyone? Hello again and welcome to Coins Alert. I hope that everyone is having a wonderful day and that you all had a wonderful weekend over the holiday season. It is a Sunday, the 2nd of June. Oh my goodness, as we get ready to enter the second half of this Bitcoin bull run, it's hard to believe that. The year has already passed so swiftly. Either the 12th of January or the month of March marked the beginning of the first half. After experiencing a significant decline, the price of Bitcoin continued to rise in a linear fashion and eventually became entirely parabolic. Fear and unease increased among the populace. There was a report that started going around that stated Bitcoin had already reached its highest point, and that alternative cryptocurrencies would never reach that level. That is not the matter at all. It is my purpose to let you know a resurgence of Bitcoin is on the horizon. The explosion of this creature is about to take place at any moment now. The number 74,000 is the target that we are working towards. Every day you should check out this channel. You will also be advised that once the number 74,000 is reached, it will become active in a manner that you have never seen it before. Bitcoin is going to be the topic of conversation in this episode, after we have finished looking. At the price chart, we will then talk about the connection that exists between Ripple custody and their unstable cryptocurrency. To begin, let's take a seat, relax, and dive into a Bitcoin together. Let's take a seat back. On the contrary, there is a great deal going on, and we are here to assist you in putting the pieces of the puzzle together. This means that the price of $68,276, $331 has climbed by 78% in the past day. Over the course of the last 90 days, 17%, which is roughly 8%, is positive overall. The value of $3,795 USDT and USDC has changed back to being fixed in relation to the dollar. As per the information provided by XRP, this is a mean lean 51 cents that is currently coming in at 0.49%, which is a reduction of 0.5%. Despite the fact that it is not what we like to see, there has been some green for XRP over the course of the past 30 days. A breakout of XRP is on the horizon, therefore don't be concerned or afraid. Keeping your trust and keeping an eye on Cardano, another cryptocurrency, are both absolutely necessary. Despite the fact that we have not witnessed it yet, it is on its way. Unlike some of these other coins, such as Solana, we haven't really seen it test the waters or the markets yet, but it is on its way. The total market capitalization of cryptocurrencies is 2,573 billion individuals. During the summer, where we plan to go? In my opinion, the word that best depicts it is nothing but joy in my opinion. The tale that is currently being circulated on Twitter is just ridiculous. There will be a price increase. On a regular basis, we have observed this. For those who do not, trust me, I strongly recommend that you conduct your own research and look at the charts for the years 2016 and 2017. These are the years in which the events that are recounted in the book took place, as well as the years in which the huge Bitcoin bull run took place. If you could please pull up the chart for the years 2020 and 2021 and simply look at the same time period, I would really appreciate it, in order to ascertain. When the event truly took place, it is likely that you will need to spend a little more than 10 minutes reviewing all of this information and conducting research. In the years 2016 to 2017, as well as 2020 to 2021, could you please open the halving dates? After that, take notice of the amount of time it took for the markets to surge upward and become entirely parabolic after the actual halving took place. Upon closer inspection, you will notice that everything is moving in accordance with the same exact pattern. In terms of Bitcoin, the third and fourth quarters appear to be highly hopeful as we begin to surpass $100,000 in the year 2025. Are the outs set up to run in a particular manner? What knowledge do we have of this? It is not difficult. The year 2017 went. Did all of the currencies that were participating in the bull run from 2016 to 2017 begin trading? Within the time frame of January 2020 to 21, they fared exceptionally well, particularly with regard to XRP. When exactly did the coin sales in 2021 go awry? In light of this, after these 4 cycles, you will find yourself in the number 25. Due to the fact that they are fast depleting, we are presently waiting for the XRP stir to reach the year 2025. We staged a soft launch and included the tumblers in our announcement. It was not lost on us that the tumblers were very popular. The cup has them carved into it, giving the impression that they are flying. All 30 of these gentlemen are the big boys and bad boys of this summer, in spite of the fact that the Armag Green is starting to catch up with its shop. I am uncertain as to whether or not we will be able to keep the Black Cupid in stock. Your XRP is currently being mailed to you directly from my store, which is located at .com. If you are located in the United States, we will send it to you via mail when you arrive in Jamaica, New York. If you are going to be out of the country, we will take care of it at the international warehouse. Because we have a large number of warehouses, we are able to ship them to you as quickly as possible. It is always free to ship, and this service is offered all around the world. I want everyone to go to the store and look at it for themselves. You should go and have some fun with it. XRP is one of the major cryptocurrencies that is accepted. There is a price of approximately 65 XRP for each cup, and both cash and credit cards are accepted. As for Floyd Mayweather, the indications are starting to come into view. Using this method, I am able to determine when the market is beginning to be bullish. To begin, there is Caitlyn Jenner, who develops her own cryptocurrency, makes a significant amount of money, and then, in essence, encourages people to transfer to Ethereum or sell their currently held cryptocurrency. When Iggy Gloss makes an appearance, we all know that it is a rug pull since she creates her own coin and makes millions of dollars selling it. Considering that these celebrities already have millions of followers, it is inexplicable to me that they are going to develop their very own cryptocurrency. They are aware that they will be sued and the money that they have raised will be required to be returned to them. They are not going to engage in conflict with the SEC. All that has occurred here is a repetition of what took place in 2017 and 2018. On the other hand, Floyd Mayweather is back at it again, this time promoting a new coin with the phrase, "Let's go ass, do not buy it, do not touch it." However, it is common knowledge that Floyd Mayweather has participated in a number of ventures in the past, 12 of which were fraudulent endeavors. He was given a difficult time by Zach XBT. Floyd actually requested that he remove the post in which he called him out by sending him a direct message DM after meeting him. How does it work mean coins are going to be produced by celebrities, as we are going to see? I mean, his most recent fraud only brought in 193,000, but that's still 193,000 that he stole from people and then ran away with. 1313 is his most recent endeavor. This is ridiculous. Go, famous people. It is all lined up credible cryptocurrency. Put it out. For the first time, we have broken out against the M1 money supply since 2017, as might be suggested by the fact that Bitcoin goes Ethereum, goes all coin goes. The fact that we are still in the same cycle that started in 2018 and that the true blow off top is that this cycle has not yet come in line with reliable crypto says is something that I have been preaching for years. Is anyone prepared to embark on a parabolic expansion? To put it another way, I told you that Bitcoin has not yet experienced its totally wild run up to its parabolic blast off top 3 rankings. What is interesting is the fact that Bitcoin reached its all-time high before it had anything. The fact that this is something that we have never seen before indicates that it is going to go completely insane. I am referring to the fact that there are targets out there that are $250,000 on Bitcoin. There are targets out there. It is possible that it might happen. It is possible that it could happen. That is the terrifying part. Then we get this situation to connect. The decoupling between the G-key component and the payments component is paying attention to those $150 billion. This is because custody tokenization and stable currencies are both involved. On the stable currencies that are now available, I believe that we are currently in the opening inning of the game. The way that this is going to work, and perhaps we are at the top of the first inning, because I don't think that we can assume that the market has settled, and I hope that we will see trillions of dollars in assets and managed in stable coins. And the market will benefit from more entrants as well as from strong organizations who want to have a position in the market. The majority of that volume occurs on cryptocurrency marketplaces, and a significant portion of that volume is traditionally and institutionally traded, the manner in which issuers have generated revenue from the stable. When someone receives a minimum of 1 token, there is a counterparty in fiat currency that goes into a reserve that is invested into assets, and those assets generate a yield debt. Coins have been via interest on the reserve, so they have fiat back. In terms of the monetization approach, I believe that it has been a bit of